what kind of lighting conditions were there?
It was really dark outside.
Really? Mr. Osorno,
Yes.
you are suing Mrs. Sanchez for a busted car window, damaged car speakers, and lost wages for a total of $1,330.
Correct.
Your position is that he damaged your car.
Correct.
And sir, your position is that you don't know who damaged his car, but it wasn't you.
I wasn't.
Is he a friend of yours?
No, he's not a friend of mine, but usually at the clubs, he'll be there with his friends and I'll be there with my friends, so I've seen him around before.
Okay, did you see him at a club the night that this happened?
Yeah, I saw him at Club Libras.
You go to Club Libras?
Yeah.
You were there that night? Say yes to me.
Yes.
Tell me about the night that this incident happened.
Well, that day, I went, every time I would go over there, my sister always told me that he was trying to get with my girl. That every time I go to the bathroom,
Right.
he goes and grabs my girl.
Were you trying to dance with his girlfriend?
Not at all.
You never asked his girlfriend to dance?
Never.
Never, not one time?
Never.
And what happened?
And then from there, we got into an argument. I went outside, check out my car because
Who got into an argument?
some kid outside, so I went to check my car because it was right next to the club, right in the door. And so I went.
Wait a second, you lost me. Who got into an argument?
Some kid outside that was next to my car.
But you were inside.
Yeah, I went inside because I was looking outside the window because some people was on top of my car.
Is that what happened? So far, so good?
Yeah, he was outside the club. And then I saw
Where was
him.
his girlfriend when he was outside the club?
She was dancing with some other kids, with some
Okay.
other boys.
Was she
And-
dancing with you?
Not at all.
Okay.
She wasn't dancing with me. And then when I saw him outside trying to get in and the bouncer wouldn't let him, I saw his girlfriend. She wasn't that far from me. So I just went like that, oh, your boyfriend's looking for you outside.
Okay.
And, he saw me doing that. Somehow he was able to come in. And then that's when he started arguing with me. Hey, why are you trying to talk to my girl and stuff like that? I was like, I wasn't trying to talk to her. I was just telling her that you were looking for her and that you were outside trying to get her attention.
Okay, is that true?
That's a lie. She told me a different story. than
Okay,
that.
no. You're outside trying to get
Yeah.
back in, then what happened?
I went inside and then I seen him grab her hand and
You saw him grab her by the
yeah.
hand and do
then-
what?
And then he said something and then they started laughing.
Okay, then what happened?
And then from there I started talking to him, cursing him out. That I told him that never mess with my girl.
What happened when you got outside?
So I went outside, and then he was, like he said, he was trying to fight with me.
Do you know his car?
Yeah.
What kind of car does he have?
He has a 2002 red Honda Civic.
Do you have a 2002 red Honda Civic?
2005.
It's a
Red Honda
2005.
Civic.
But it was red, right?
Red.
And it was a Honda Civic.
2-door.
It has
Yes.
2 doors?
Yeah.
He
Did they
was,
call the police?
Yeah, they call the police.
Did he leave when they told him to go?
I'm not sure. I left, right when that happened. I saw
Right.
police coming, so I just got in my car, and then I went home.
Okay, so then you're suing him because you say he damaged your car. I didn't even hear any testimony about that.
So when I went home,
Right.
I went to my room. 20 minutes later, 15 minutes later, I heard my car alarm going off, and I heard the window smashing. And then I looked through the window, maybe 20 feet from here, 30 feet.
How close was your car from your window? As close as you and I are to each other?
A little farther, maybe from here to the door.
To the back door?
Yeah.
Okay, you live in a house or an apartment?
Apartment.
Okay,
A
you're in the
building.
first floor, second floor, third floor?
Basement.
You're in the basement. So
Yes.
you're looking out of the basement window.
Yeah.
You are on ground level then looking out the basement window.
Yeah, I mean the windows right on the ground, so I get to see the
Right.
car and then.
And what kind of lighting conditions were there?
It was really
what
dark
kind
outside.
Really? Tell me. Let me ask you then. Perhaps I'm asking the wrong person. What were the lighting conditions like?
When we were at the club, it was dark.
No, I wasn't at the club. I was downstairs in a basement window, remember? So why did you smash his car?
I didn't.
Let me see pictures of the damages, please. Okay, that's the back window. Glass broken. The 2 headrests in the back seat. That's what I'm looking at?
And then there is a speaker, and this is the back windshield.
Oh, okay. Now, this man tells me that he saw your red Honda. He saw you there smashing out his windows. You say it's not true. I thought it was funny that you answered the question about what the lighting conditions were like at his apartment. It's too dark that he could not have seen you possibly.
He seen my car.
Okay, so I believe you are lying to me. As a matter of fact, I know you're lying. Look at me. You know you're lying.
No, I'm not.
Okay, well, I know you're lying. Doesn't matter what you know anyway. All right, so I'm ready to rule. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $1,330. Good luck to you.
Thank you.